might sound elementary, but you only get one chance to make a first impression. And you have to hit it out of the park every single time to create the ultimate experience. And look at every interaction, whether it be the first time, second time, or 50th time. Same mindset of this needs to be a first impression. I need to act like this. I need to make sure that like when they connect, like we engage and that we're memorable, right? So you want to hear like people say like, you know what, every time, I connect with that person, I mean, he or she is just always on. They're just always on. I just feel very engaged. Be memorable. If I was to talk to someone that knows about you, what are they going to say? Like, oh my gosh, I mean, that person is great. He is great, she is great, whatnot. So I think one thing that is so cool is, and one of my favorite quotes too is Maya Angelou. She says, people will forget what you said, what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Think about that. How you made them feel. How are you making your team feel? How are you making your clients feel? What are you doing? Because they don't care about what you said. They don't care about what you have. How are you making them feel? It's what's going to be a game changer.